Hello, Jim from TechBuzz. We've got a new product in. This is the all-new Google Indoor and Outdoor Nest Cam, operating by battery. Security, rain or shine. Click in on your home 24/7 and 1080p night vision phone alerts and easy wire-free installation. So looking forward to using this. It goes warning strong magnets there. So that's pretty much the box. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing today, and then you can ask us questions while we have it, get it up and installed and reviewed in the coming weeks. No point in rushing things. We'll get a good comprehensive review with videos and footage and all that, as we always do. And let's see where this one opens. So there's more tags here, and let's go. So we have got the main camera here, and we have got inside the rest. We'll just take it all out. So you've got your plug here, which is cool. You've got your back plate for the camera and your cable here. So you can see this one is a magnet, and of course your instruction booklet here. So let's have a look at all this out of the way. And look at this. So this will mount onto your wall, and you'll just slide into place so by turning. Pretty simple setup, which is nice. And up here is the front, and down here is where you're going to charge. So this is magnetic, pretty strong magnet, which pops in there, and you can see your speaker here, and you'll scan the QR code up on top. So we'll have a look. We'll quickly just pop that off, and you can see what the camera looks like there. Pretty nice camera indeed, and there's a nice bit of weight on it there too. Nice and sturdy solid build. And this here looks like, if you've got an existing mount, you can screw around it there. Maybe not, but we'll check what that is later. But you can see here it separates, and this is probably a reset key here, but that magnet is very strong. Really strong. Well, I have a setup here at home already, and the magnets aren't as strong as that, so that's pretty good. Some of the cameras are actually blown off with the wind. This one certainly won't be moving anywhere, and it's a nice one you can place anywhere and easy to install as well, and you can move them around if you need be. And what I'm going to be doing is getting another one of these and having this as my initial setup, because the other one here 2 years now. It's time to move on. I've been looking forward to having the whole Google setup anyway, as I'm pretty much a Google user with everything. I'm an entrenched user is what you call it, and that's pretty much it there. So that's just a quick first look and unboxing of the new security camera anyway. And again, any questions, feel free to hit us up. And really nice solid build here, and suffer scratches won't impair the performance, but handled with care in order to keep this like looking new. So that's it. Any questions, hit us up. TechBuzzIreland.com will have a review soon, along with the Nest doorbell as well. So stay tuned for them on TechBuzzIreland.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and thanks to Google for sending these over to us.